Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the ultimate bathroom upgrade, a Bluetooth speaker fan and light combo. If you're looking to transform your bathroom experience, this is the product for you. Stay tuned to find out more. A bathroom fan with a Bluetooth speaker and light is a multifunctional device that combines the functions of a traditional bathroom fan with a Bluetooth speaker and a light fixture. This device not only removes moisture and bad odors from the bathroom but also plays music and provides lighting. Benefits of having a bathroom fan with a Bluetooth speaker and light. Multifunctional. A bathroom fan with a Bluetooth speaker and light serves three purposes, providing ventilation, music, and lighting. Entertainment. The Bluetooth speaker allows you to listen to your favorite music, audiobooks, or podcasts while getting ready in the bathroom. Mood lighting. The light fixture provides ambient lighting, which can help create a relaxing and calming mood in the bathroom. Energy efficiency. The LED lighting and energy-efficient fan motor make this device an eco-friendly option for your bathroom. Things to consider before buying a bathroom fan with a Bluetooth speaker and light. Size of the bathroom. The size of the bathroom will determine the size of the fan you need. You don't want a fan that is too small or too big for your bathroom. Noise level. Look for a fan with a low noise level, so it doesn't disturb your relaxation time. Bluetooth connectivity range. Check the Bluetooth connectivity range to ensure that your device can connect to the speaker from any corner of the bathroom. Light settings. Look for a fan with adjustable light settings, so you can control the intensity of the light according to your preference. Energy efficiency. Choose a fan with an Energy Star rating to save on your energy bills. Top 5 bathroom fans with Bluetooth speaker and light. Grown Newtone Sensonic bathroom exhaust fan with Bluetooth speaker. HomeWorks Worldwide 713004 BT Bluetooth bath fan and speaker. Delta Breeze Integrity ITG 100E LED bathroom exhaust fan with edge-lit dimmable LED light and Bluetooth speaker. Panasonic Whisper Warm FV11 VHL2 bathroom exhaust fan with heater and Bluetooth speaker. Air King Alaska 965 deluxe combination heater with exhaust fan, light and night light. Installation process for bathroom fan with Bluetooth speaker and light. The installation process may vary depending on the model you choose. However, most bathroom fans with a Bluetooth speaker and light follow a similar installation process. It is recommended to hire a professional electrician for installation. Maintenance and cleaning of bathroom fan with Bluetooth speaker and light. To maintain the efficiency and longevity of your bathroom fan with Bluetooth speaker and light, you should regularly clean the fan blades, replace the air filter, and wipe down the speaker and light fixture. A bathroom fan with a Bluetooth speaker and light is a modern and innovative device that adds convenience, entertainment, and style to your bathroom. It is an eco-friendly, energy-efficient, and multifunctional option for those who want to make their bathroom experience more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and family who may be interested in upgrading their bathroom.